I really seek to make my lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a also real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have an magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am body beauty, and aesthetic, soft, stunning. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a also real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have an magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am my eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am body beauty, and aesthetic, soft, stunning. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am body beauty, and aesthetic, soft, stunning. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am body beauty, and aesthetic, soft, stunning. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am body beauty, and aesthetic, soft, stunning. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty. People can tell that stare at my doll-like face. I am effortlessly graceful and captivating. I am body beauty, and aesthetic, soft, stunning. I glow with irresistible feminine charm. I radiate sweet, feminine beauty, effortlessly. My features are delicate, symmetrical, and feminine. My eyes are big, sparkly, and innocent like a doll. My lips are soft, juicy, and particularly dense, nice, skin, glossy, and glowing with gloss. I have the softest, sweetest facial expressions. My lashes are long, curled, and fluttery. I naturally look like a real and dreamy. My voice is soft, soothing, and sweet. I have a magnetic, enchanting presence. I am the definition of soft, angelic beauty.